to add a picture on Instagram after posting, where we'll talk about where or not this is actually possible. So let's just hop on to Instagram. So this is an old photo I have, and to actually try to do that, and it might be available for some regions, it might be available when you're watching this video. You want to click on the three dots right here, you want to click on edit, and from here you can just delete the photos. As you can see, there's a delete photo, but there's nothing else. That's a very old photos of me and my setup. That's from 9 years ago. So yeah, that's all you can do. Currently, unfortunately, you can't really add a picture after posting. You can just delete it. So if you want to delete it, you probably want to save the photo, maybe take a screenshot just like so or something to be able to do that. But that's pretty much all you can do. Love you with all my heart, and let me know in the comment section down below where are you watching this video from. See you next video. Bye.